Hello from Cars FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show how to install the compressor, AC compressor on the Mercedes A-Class A160 W168. Before we install it, we have to clean the entrance of the two pipes, and it's going in and out from the compressor. The low pressure is going in, the high pressure is going out. We clean that with this one that I'll show you. It's a kind of the size of sandpaper 500. We have to clean it very well. Then put oil inside, and the cleaning, we put the compressor, because that's second-hand compressor. The customer asked for the second-hand, and we drain the old oil, then put in the compressor. It's going about 150 milligrams oil. We put special oil, PAG 46. We use that one, special oil for the AC system, the air conditioning system, and that is the oil that we use, PAG 46. Then after that we have to take off the old O-rings, rubber O-rings, which on the two pipes on the high pressure and low pressure. We have to put the same but new one, the same size but new one. Before that we have to clean with sandpaper 500 as well the pipes where that are going into the compressor. It's very important to avoid the leakage after that. Always have to change the O-rings and clean the place that the rings are going before that. Yeah, we put oil on the new O-rings always, not to go in dry. Then we put the compressor back on the place. There's 3 bolts, we catch them. We put them, then 3 bolts. When we start tightening, the bolts always start by hand. The thread have to go properly. We have to feel that it's going properly inside. Always by hand firstly, then you can use the tools. After we catch these 3 bolts, tighten it, and we put the pipes. Put the pipes, have to go by hand properly inside, and put the bolts, tighten with bolts. And don't forget the electrical part of the plug. Put the plug in, and that's it. After that we put pressure into the system with nitrogen. Nitrogen have 17 bars pressure, and check whether there's leaks. Always check before put the refrigerant inside, whether you did the job properly. Every car coming into our garage, we put new clips. We record new clips, and if you want to watch it, you can visit our channels. Our channels, that one is the Cars FIX Sevt AUTO, and the other one is Peter's Garage.
Чекай, как наступаешь?